My name's Ray Smith and I'm an energy advisor. I'm licensed with Natural Resource Canada. I'm extremely busy at the moment, yes. Lots of factors, mainly in Kimberley because they're now making step code mandatory. There's been lots of talk and seminars and webinars over the last several years, and the builders are suddenly realising that it's actually happening now. Traits and skills to work as an energy advisor. Good building background is always a good thing. Other guys can do it, but that's a really great start. The other trait, I think that it's really important, you need to be a people person. You need to be able to talk to builders, to architects, to customers, to people who've got no idea what you're talking around, and get the point over in the correct manner. What's the process to become an energy advisor? Lots of training involved. Lots of things to learn. It takes several months to qualify as an energy advisor. There are some courses out there, Canadian home builders put them on. They're really good. Sometimes a potential energy advisor will work with an existing energy advisor and train up through that way. There's two basic exams to pass. You need to pass one for building science and you need to pass one for energy advisor. Then there's one for MURBs, multi-unit residential buildings, if you want to do them, which now includes suites in homes. There's Energy Star if you want to go to that. And 3 years later, you take them all again because we have to requalify every 3 years. The best part of my job is seeing the reaction of builders when everyone calls it the aha moment. For instance, I recently done a mid-construction blower door test for quite a big company, and it's the first time they used external air barrier. So we came out there and I said, well, doing an external, I can ramp the blower door fan up to where it needs to be and I can give you a really accurate reading at that stage. So we did that, come up on the gauge, and it come up at 1.07. And the reaction of these guys was absolutely phenomenal. You know, they're punching the air, they're high-fiving. And for me to see the builders being that animated about a blower door test, you know, it's good, it's very satisfying. Yeah, I see a lot more recognition of it all amongst the general public, which is great, because that's where it needs to start with, for the public to ask the builders, are you doing this, can you do that? And, you know, expecting it to be done. So yeah, all is good.